It was the year 2000 when my little brother Victor and I worked for a disaster restoration company. And after enough years of working to build someone else's dream, we thought we should eventually consider building our own. In 2008, we started Allied Restoration Services. For the first 6 months, we didn't take a paycheck home. Within a couple of years, though, we started to get some traction. Because of that growth, we also knew that we had to increase our business acumen. And so we went to a business seminar. On the second day, I had to rush my little brother to the hospital. And 14 days later, I watched my little brother take his last breath. As we're going through that process, my family's questioning, how could this happen? How could pancreatitis take my little brother at the age of 39 years old? I realized that if Victor were here in my shoes, he would not shut down the business. Our culture really is what moves us and what really differentiates us from other companies. It's uniquely Allied Restoration because we take these experiences and we impact our customers, our clients, exactly where they are and what they're going through. Having experienced what I've experienced, I've been able to allow our employees to also be real. And because they are real, they are allowed to be themselves. And because they are themselves, they're allowed to serve at a higher level. For anyone that needs, restoration help, the best thing you can do is call Allied Restoration, call us right away, and we'll give you an assessment for free. There are some times where you definitely need us. Other times we'll tell you it's not necessary for us to be involved, and we can give you some other options on what you can do.